Now, the action continued from the second round of the JK Tyre National Racing Championship held last week in Coimbatore. And as always, our man Abhishek Singh was there to capture all the fun. Here's what he saw.
We're at the Curry Motor Speedway in Coimbatore once again, and on the agenda is round 2 of the JK Tyre Racing Championship. India's best drivers have come out on the track to fight it out once again in their search for glory. The cars are going to be bumper to bumper. The fights are going to be very, very hard. Buckle up, ladies and gentlemen. This is going to be one hell of a ride.
The Formula BMWs were the first to hit the track. As soon as the lights turned green, the 1300cc engines powering the FB02 single-seat open-wheelers roared into action. Chennai boy Vishnu Prasad was on pole and set the pace for race 1 from the very start. Despite challenges from Arjun Maini and Akhil Rabindra, Prasad did not flinch and increased his lead with each passing lap. After hitting a top speed and setting the fastest lap time of 1 minute 6 seconds, Prasad finally clinched the flag well ahead of the pack. Maini followed with Rabindra coming in third. Race 2 of the Formula BMW saw Prasad leap off from pole and blaze his way through the first few laps, establishing a comfortable early lead. Behind them, the pack was fighting hard. There was a little back and forth between Rabindra and Maini, but Rabindra persevered and moved to second place and held on. Maini was then challenged by Kolhapur boy Chitesh Mandodi, who overtook and moved to third place. In the closing laps of the race, Maini and Karminder Singh had a tussle, causing both cars to spin off. Championship leader Akhil Kushlani, who until then was having a bad weekend, capitalized and made fourth place.
The lap times were pretty close, so I thought it was going to be really a tight race. But then, Arman told me to bang in the first 2 laps. That should be a faster, so you can pull away a gap. And then this track is very hard to overtake.
I was behind Arjun Maini, so then I waited for a lap. I saw that I'm really fast than him, and then I make a move. On C2, he was taking a corner a little wide, and there was no other chance that I could pass him. That was the only corner I could pass him. So I thought to keep up with him until C2. C2 entry, then I just put my nose in and managed to make a move.
The last race of Formula BMW was such a superb display of skill and driving prowess that when the checkered flag came down, all those watched it could not help but put their hands together for the drivers of the 3 cars that ran as if glued together for 15 laps straight.
Last race of the Formula BMW, and 8 laps down, Vishnu Prasad, who's on a hat-trick, takes the lead. But he's being given a tough fight by Arjun Maini and Chitesh Mandodi. Let's see if the Chennai lad can hold on and take the checkered flag.
Prasad held on to his position with great difficulty. Both the cars behind him were faster. Unlike the first 2 races, he was not the only one dictating the pace. Young Arjun Maini displayed great skill and poise for his age as he successfully gave Prasad a run for his money. That too when the rearview mirrors were filled with the blisteringly fast Mandodi's front wing. Mandodi pushed both Maini and Prasad to the limit with his pace in the opening laps of the race, but both cars held him off. Prasad found pace towards the end of the race and let go of the defensive line and went all out to take the checkered flag. Maini's front wing was right behind him and Mandodi came in third, stuck to Maini.
I had a good start and I tucked in behind Vishnu and everything was perfectly as planned, and I was keeping up with Vishnu the whole race. But this time Chitesh also improved his speed. We were all 3 all together the whole race. And every time I tried to move on Vishnu, he would just defend.
Arjun was there from the back from lap 1, and I'll be honest, I didn't look front. I was looking at both my rear view mirrors constantly, seeing where Arjun was. It was a really tough race. Doing the hat trick is brilliant. It's something that I wanted to do since Akhil did it last weekend. Did 3 poles, did 3 fastest laps, and now 3 wins as well. So it's the perfect weekend for me in the BMW. It's just perfect.
The Volkswagen Polo R Cup races were as usual a closely fought affair. Chennai driver Prashant Tharani led race 1 from pole to flag, while South African driver Jeffrey Kruger tried to catch up and make a move or 2 initially, but realized he was outpaced and after a few laps held on to second place. Championship leader Rahil Nurani, who had a bad qualifying, made a few overtakes and came in third. Race 2 was a reverse grid start, which means that the positions of the top 8 runners on the grid were reversed. The mix and match was going to make things interesting, and that's exactly what happened. The start saw Angad Matharu and Rahul Nurani apply some unconventional racecraft and attempt to go off the track and overtake cars in the front. From there, it was a mad dash into the Kari Speedway's notorious first corner. Nurani went from 6th to 2nd place after C1, and a few laps later, Kruger and Tharani had also fought their way up the grid and was 2nd and 3rd. Nurani was penalised 20 seconds for a false start, and as a result, Kruger moved to 1st place, Tharani to 2nd, and Yatin Magu to 3rd.
Well, yes, the first few laps it was basically trying to get the tyres up to temperature and the optimum working pressure and everything. So once that was there, and there's always the pressure of a guy who's very close to you. So the moment I saw, after 3 or 4 laps, I settled down the adrenaline, you get it under control, and I saw that I was able to maintain the position, and he was not close enough. Once I realized that, it was just a question of trying to open up the lead, and which is exactly what I did. So I saw him trying in the first 3-4 laps, and then I just made sure that I had consistent lap time so that he wouldn't be able to close me. And then later when we checked, we were doing the same time, so which is why he was gone.
Race 2 is always interesting with the reverse grid. Yes, started 7th on the grid. I didn't get a great start. I was distracted by the jump start which happened next to me, so it took my eye off the lights. So then I was going, I think, to P8 into turn 1. And then from there I just started to pick off the cars one by one until I was lying in 2nd place. And then I tried to close the gap to Rahil. And then at the end of the race I came through the line 2nd, but due to the jump start, 1st.
And that brings us to the end of another race weekend. The drivers treated us to some really high-octane action, which was an absolute pleasure to watch and to report. You can count on us being back for more, and with us, so will you.